Hey y'all, it's me, Lynn Daniel, coming to you today, and I want to talk to you about changing your house, your home, into a sanctuary, a sacred place for you and your family. Okay? And this is important because it is a part of your self-care routine. It is a part of making your home become that tranquil, pleasant place where you all are able to live in peace and in harmony. And I know that seems like a high idea, high pie in the sky type of idea, but you know what? You can start one room at a time. And I think the first place to start is in the bedroom, that place where you rest, where you go to relax, where you spend your restful hours. Start with your bedroom, okay? And now, let me say something about budget. So this idea of turning your home into a sanctuary has nothing to do with budget. I am a thrifting queen. I love to go to the thrift stores. I find excellent deals, and I have my home filled with things from thrift stores. So even if you are on a budget, you can find things to bring into your home that speak peace to your home, tranquility to your home, so that you are able to rest and have a beautiful, elegant home, okay? So I am here in my bedroom, and my bedroom is in progress, but it's making progress, okay? And I just wanted to share with you all some of the decor that is here that is helping to make this room a place where after I've worked all day, I can come in here and I can rest and get a good night's sleep, okay? All right, so I just want to give you a look around. So these are just some shears I got on Amazon, and they are netting shears. Actually, they are from IKEA. I discovered that after when you look on the vendor for Amazon, whoever the vendor was got these from IKEA. And I just put them up there in my old-fashioned kind of way that is not even sophisticated at all. And yeah, I think they add a nice touch to the windows. There's a window over there as well. These lamps are from a thrift store. These are crystal lamps from a consignment store, and I got the pair. Okay, and then I was able to find this tray from Ashley Furniture. It actually came with I think 2 trays, and I just keep this on my bedside. These flowers are from Home Goods. Can you see that? That's from Home Goods. May even still have the sticker on it. Yeah, it does. See, from Home Goods. And my lotion, of course, is from, I love their lotion. Okay, Bath and Body Works. Okay, and then this actually is a vase that I got from Goodwill on their 50% off day. And these flowers I got from the Home Store, I think it's called. It's just a bundle of flowers, one bundle, and I just stuck them in there. Okay, and then this is one of those fragrance diffuser things where you have the melt in there and you turn it on. Let me turn it on. And then you can tell that it's on from the light. Can you see the light? Yeah. So that's going to make it smell very good pretty soon. Okay. And then just some other little tips, like this clock I got from Sam's for 20 bucks. So it's large, and when I wake up in the morning, I can look at it and tell the time. It's Roman numerals, so you got to know your Roman numerals. Okay. And then this chair I got from a consignment shop when I first moved to Arizona, and it served me well. I'm going to replace it soon. I think I might take that to my classroom for this year. My sweeper is in here. Here's my vacuum sweeper. I got it from Goodwill for 50 bucks, but I got 20% off of it. And then here's my second nightstand. So on here, here's my second lamp from the consignment shop. And this pair was probably about 50 bucks, 60 bucks for the pair. And then this tray I got from Home Goods. This tray here, decorative tray. Fragrant candles my daughter gave me. And then pictures of my grandchildren and more lotion. I picked this plaque right here. It comes from Dollar General for like $4. And then this flower is also, I think, from Home Goods. Okay, so just very inexpensive things. Now, as far as linen, bed linen, you can get bed linen from the secondhand store if that's where you're going to start. But then you can also look at the higher count, thread count on sheets and start there, especially if you want like a spa feel. The high count sheets are very, very slick and easy and soft, and so start where you're able to, and then if you're able to build your way up to the high thread count, like 1,000 thread count, then you know you're gonna notice that it is spa-like. So I got this from Zulily, actually, for about 30 bucks. And then I got these silk large king-size pillowcases, 2 of them, from an Amazon vendor for $12. And then these are just pillow shams that I got from, I think I bought these pillows from Home Goods. And this pillow here I got from Home Goods, but as you can see, it needs a little more filling in it. So I need to consider getting another pillow insert in there. Okay, so this is where I have started to make my bedroom a spa. And, you know, I turn on my little fragrance, and then I let the light beam through the windows. I turn off the overhead light. I may put on soft music, and this is a place where I can come rest for the day. Now, as far as the bed is from Ashley Furniture. I got it like 2 or 3 years ago, about almost 3 years ago. But you can find headboards. You can even make your own headboard if you're a good DIYer, or you can find headboards at Home Goods or even at thrift stores for, you know, next to nothing. All right, I'm going to show you my closet because I'm working on my closet, and my closet is nice enough, but it needs some help. So this morning I was in here cleaning my closet to get things off the top shelf and to organize my little handbag collection over there. And then I had a bunch of t-shirts up here, and I had a bunch of my jammies and stuff up here. So these are going to go in the nightstands. And then, yeah, to kind of, you know, get rid of clutter. My closet, the pole was painted when I moved here, which means, can you see how the pole, the paint peels when you move the hangers? So I am going to work on removing the paint from these poles. That's an upcoming task for me to do. Here's a good area to show you, like right here. So you notice how it has peeled a lot. Yeah, so we're going to work on removing the paint. And then also these hangers, like I like these velvet hangers. So I saw at Sam's where you could get, I want to say 50 hangers, but it might not be that many. You could get a bulk amount of hangers for $15. So I'm going to go back to Sam's and get more of these black velvet hangers, and I'm going to trade out all of these wire hangers for the velvet hangers. Like on this side of the closet, I have the majority of these are the velvet hangers. I have alternating pink and black. I have a few of these plastic ones that I got from Walmart or somewhere where I purchase clothes. But yeah. So these are inexpensive items you can get from Sam's Club or maybe Costco. I don't know. I don't have a Costco membership. But making your closet, like organizing your closet, decluttering releases that inner turmoil that is going on in you. Like when you have a lot of clutter around you, that clutter is a signal of your internal state of being. You know, like if you're feeling confused or overwhelmed or you don't know what to do next, most times people will not know to organize, or they are so overwhelmed they don't have energy to organize. But you would be surprised if you organize and if you start cleaning a little bit at a time, an area at a time, a section of the room at a time, a space at a time. If you start decluttering that way in small little segments, you are going to begin seeing yourself become less cluttered in your mind, less distracted, more focused, more like in tune to what you need to do. I don't understand that. I don't understand the dynamics of it, but it is. And you can look at the research. You can Google it. You can read books about it that talks about clutter being an indication of your internal disarray, or you know what I mean? So organize your space a little bit at a time, as much as you can, to begin making even your closet into a safe haven place. Now I'm going to show you, like on the inside, I bought this little towel rack thing from Zulily, and I put my big scarves on here. These are big old scarves that I wear in the winter time. This one is even like a blanket, but I use it as a scarf sometimes. And then my shoes, I have, like, I'm not a shoe diva, but I have a lot of shoes, and I like unconventional shoes. Like I like Crocs for the winter time here in Arizona, because in the fall months in Arizona, when it starts to cool, it's a strange time of the year, because the morning is cold. Like in the winter time, it's like 30 degrees in the morning, but by midday it's 70 degrees. And so the first year I was having a hard time figuring out how to dress myself. So I started buying a bunch of Crocs. In this box right here, this container has all my Crocs. I have all my Crocs in here. I don't know if you can see them. These are my house slippers, but I have all my Crocs in here. I have flip-flop Crocs. I have claw Crocs. I have woolly claw Crocs. I love Crocs. Now they're not very pretty or sexy, but they're comfortable as a teacher, and you know, they work for me. But notice I put them in this basket that I got from Sam's, and then I put this other basket that I have of shoes. I've got mules in here. Oh, can you see? Mules. And then I've got some flip-flops and another pair and another pair. So I decided to put those in these little baskets that I got from Sam's. These were two for, like, they weren't expensive. I know it was two for maybe $12.99 or $20. It was somewhere. It was not more than $20 for the two of them. Okay, and then I still have more shoes over here in this basket. These are my flats. So flats. I've got some mules that I purchased from DSW. All right, so that's what I mean by turning your house into a sanctuary. First off, consider your budget and do what you can with your budget. Cleaning is free, pretty much. Organizing is free up until the point to where you have to purchase containers. Containers like hangers or storage containers like the ones I got my shoes in. But all of those things can be purchased from anywhere from a thrift store all the way up to your high-end stores, okay? All right, so I want to thank you all for joining me today as I'm talking about turning your home into a sanctuary, a resort of sorts. And I'm considering, if you're really interested in this topic and you want to know more about it, let me know, because I'm considering putting together a class for you on this topic so that you can have step-by-step of things to do to make your home a haven of respite for you. All right, leave me comments in the comment section telling me what you want to hear, what you want more of, and letting me know how you are turning your home into a sanctuary, a resort. All right, be blessed.